What perspective, you talked about, everyone coming to the table has a different point of view. What perspective do you think that women can make to AI or robotics from their backgrounds?
Well, I'm obviously biased because I think women are so super smart. So sorry about that for some of the guys on the phone. Women, I believe, bring talents in collaboration, thinking outside the box. They've always had to multitask. I think they bring so many amazing qualities to this new world that it requires. And also think about leadership. We've all gone through COVID. And what has emerged as the leadership quality of the future? It's all about EQ, emotional quotient. And that means that you're, empathetic to others, that you understand where they're coming from, that you're supportive of them. And study after study again shows that women lead in that EQ area. And so to be strong leaders in tech, you need to be a strong leader overall. You need to be able to think differently. You need to think out of the box. And for me, these are characteristics that women excel at across the board. So sorry, guys, but that's what the studies show, that women can really excel here. And I think this is really important as we move forward.